Hi, everybody, and namaste, and a very warm welcome to 2021. I'm sure everybody is excited with the new year, and I, along with the team Rise, would like to wish all of you and your family members an amazing 2021. We've been all waiting for this year to come, right? 2020 has been a very, very challenging year for all of us. But let's just pause for a moment and ask ourselves that just by the calendar changing, just by the date changing, is the year really going to change? The challenges may continue. This time we may have a different set of challenges. Sometimes it could be global in nature, sometimes local in nature, sometimes with our own selves. The challenges will continue in our life. But I think the most important thing is how we respond to these challenges. Remember the formula that we learned: E plus R equals to O. Events plus response is equal to outcome. So last year we had some very, very challenging events, the pandemic situation, and you saw that different people responded differently. People who responded differently and positively are the ones who really emerged out to be much more better human beings, much more powerful, much more loving, compassionate, and they added skills, they improved their health, they improved relationships, and probably on January 1st, 2021, they're proud of what they were able to accomplish in 2020. And there were a certain set of people who probably responded in a negative manner. Did that help them? More stress, more worries, more anxieties. That doesn't help at all. So what I'm trying to say here is, just by the calendar changing, just by the date changing, is not going to change our life. There are 5 things which really, really control our lives: our thoughts, our words, our images, the pictures that we hold in our mind, our feelings, and our actions. These are the 5 things that control our life, and these are our responses in any given moment of time. In any given moment, whether it's a good moment or a bad moment, how we respond is only and only in our control, and our responses really determine the outcome. If we give good responses, positive responses, the outcome has to be positive. It doesn't matter what the event is. It could be any event of life, okay? But how we respond is what really matters. So what are the 5 inputs? Like I said, thoughts, words, images, feelings, and actions. So let's start with the last one first. Actions. Can we bring about a little change in our actions this year? Maybe get up a little earlier, maybe start reading a book, maybe exercise, maybe connect better with our friends and family. These are little actions we can do which can make a big difference. Now you really don't need to do big things in one day. Like Darren Hardy, the author of the book called The Compound Effect, he says that if you just bring about a 1% change in your life every single day, at the end of the year you have changed your life by almost 36 to 37%. Just a little small change in your actions can bring about so much change. So think about, what is that one little thing that I can do today? Can I get up a little earlier, maybe even 15 minutes early? Can I talk to people a little more happier manner, or a little more gentle manner? Okay, so that we can do a little bit change in our actions. The more positive actions, taking a decision to exercise, taking a decision to spend time with our loved ones. These are little actions we can take which can bring about a profound change in year 2021. Let's talk about our feelings. Can we be more grateful for what we already have in our life, rather than complaining and talking about all the problems that we have in our life? Who doesn't have problems in their life? Even we have problems, but we have an option in every moment to whether we count our problems or we count our blessings. And trust me, when you count your blessings, more and more blessings will come into your life. Whatever you focus on will expand. So let's be a little more grateful. Let's be a little more appreciative of what is there in our life. Appreciate on your own self. You're also trying to do your best. Give a pat on your back. Appreciate the people in your life who are always there to support you and love you through the journey of your life. Appreciate the beautiful creations of nature. Even if you look at one leaf a little closely, you will understand how beautiful the creations of God are. We can take a moment to appreciate all the beautiful things, what nature has created, what God has created, And if you learn how to be in these two vibrations, gratitude and appreciation, trust me, your life will change. The third is images. So why don't we fill our mind with the positive images rather than filling ourselves with negative images? So cut yourself of all negativity, negative news, negative TV serials, negative, whatever is negative. Try to cut out all that so that you don't fill up your mind with negative stuff. From today, promise yourself to fill up your mind with positive visions of the future, positive, the way you want to see your life in the future, positive pictures about events and situations. Why not hold a picture of a much more beautiful, loving and a compassionate world rather than worrying about, oh, Corona will do this, Corona will do that, new strain will happen. That's not going to help us at all. But if all of us hold a beautiful picture in our mind, trust me that the power of collective consciousness will bring about a shift in the world. So let's install positive images in our mind 2 times in a day, before we go to sleep and after you get up in the morning. Now 2 more inputs remaining. Words. Can we pay attention to the words that we are speaking? We speak words in 2 ways, outside and inside. The words that we speak to ourselves inside is what we call as thoughts. The words that we speak outside is what we call as words. We need to take care of both these words. Be a little mindful, be a little conscious of what you are saying, because words spoken with conviction have a lot of power. So pay attention to what you are speaking to yourself and to what you are speaking outside. If you pay attention to these words and use a simple technique called cancel, if you are speaking words that you don't wish to create in your life, cancel it out and replace it with positive words. So for example, in the morning if you say today's day is only bad, trust me, it is going to become true. So do we really want the day to be bad? No, right? So we're going to say cancel, today's day is going to be awesome. He never listens to me. Do you really want that to happen in the future as well? Maybe he's not listening to you today. Do you want that to happen even in the future? No, right? So say cancel, I share a wonderful relationship with this person. This person is always listening to me and is always with me. Okay? So if you focus on your 5 responses, your thoughts, words, images, feelings and actions, trust me, 2021 will probably be the best year in your life. But nothing changes in your life until you do or I do. Nothing is ever going to happen without that happening, right? So with those few words, I would like to wish all of you once again on behalf of me, Jasmine ma'am, my entire team at RISE, an awesome year for you ahead. And we are always there to support you through the journey. Promise yourself to develop yourself personally, attend some of our transformational programs and take your life to the new level. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best and God bless you all.